Best of luck, bro.
Sweet, brother.
Watching, and the ball's like,
Cozzy, who's that, Cozzy?
remember the name. Good morning, people. Sunday, 7 o'clock in the morning. On my way down to Wigan, heading to Three Sisters for the day. Go watch the final round of Drift League GB. Jack's driving today, so I head down, watch him, support him for the day, see what's going on. Sign in, bro, man. I was gonna come find you, but I thought post up here.
Yeah, Jack's about to come out.
Yeah, just go round then. That's right, yeah. Big rig, medium man.
You know how we do. Jump back out, Ryan.
Here's boy.
What was wrong with his car?
What was wrong with his car? No grip.
What's going on, bro? What's going on, brother?
Alright, buddy.
You all good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Loads to take in today. I'm in heaven.
Yeah.
Actual heaven.
I'm in heaven.
What's your opinions on the drift day today?
The drift day today.
Yeah.
It's been a really good day, and I think, like I always say, it's always a takeaway from every drift day.
Come on.
But you in the hot seat. Who's your pick?
Jack, all day long.
Come on.
Pressure. Put
Come
the pressure.
on.
You play him on the shirt, you know what I mean?
Enjoying it so far, though? Yeah, I was doing this with rain because it just fucks things up then, doesn't it? I can drive in the rain, I've no problem with driving in the rain, but if we've just done a whole dry, then it rains for qualifying, that's when you peak. Arsenal, you can take it, should be alright. So aggressive with bro, we've got 15 psi, yeah? You're clutching, and the car's like that, like standing up, it's mental.
Let's have hot wheelies, cuz.
Fucking car feels like you're wheeling.
I drove on them with detail on like 15 psi or 10 psi. Yeah.
Wheelies, guys!
Yes, I was lost.
What's going on, brother? All good?
Well, I mean, somebody stopped in front of me, so we crashed into them.
Oh, no.
And then it transpires we were in such a rush to get this stickered and back together that nobody put screws in the back bumper. So when the dirt dots over there, the bumper
Flew up.
exploded off.
Fucking hell.
But the reverse camera still works, so it's alright.
That's all we need. Looks good, Danny, one, bro.
Appreciate it.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it probably can't escape you that we have a lot of very, very cool machinery lined up on track here.
Come get your signature card. Who's that, Cozzy? It's awful familiar, this guy. Definitely. Get him out. Remember the name.
Track invasion has started. Everyone's out here checking out the cars, ready before the round starts.
What a motor.
Yes, I was lost. I'm free. I I'm free.
I think it actually worked for Jack. Jack, how you feeling today, man?
Yeah, feeling good. The track's good. Love driving with these guys. It's just quite fun, to be fair. I'm enjoying myself.
Obviously, Jack, you've got a lot going on over the water at the minute, haven't you?
Yeah, we're currently leading the championship in Germany, and we won the first round of Drift Kings, which is like a European, well, actually an international drift championship that goes all around the world. So yeah, we're doing well this year.
I'm really happy to have you out here, man. It's you know, man, look forward to it.
Calm. Still playing up, is it?
It just keeps popping boost losers. So.
Did you hear a bit when he was...
I thought I'd blown the turbo at first. I came in, I was like, I couldn't even hail the turbo spooling. I was like, oh no. That new oil feed thing, like, is it too long and stopping the oil getting to the
Going through
turbo
it,
and killed the
Starving it
turbo?
up.
But, yeah, man. I've not turned one good lap this morning. But I haven't even finished the full lap yet. So, yes, man.
Hello, Kurt.
What's going on, Kurt?
Nothing much, Kurt.
Yeah, we'll see how we're doing qualifying. And hopefully, it'll stay like this and it'll give me a little bit of a chance because I won't have to kick his head in as much
like,
to get it round. Might even just leave the tyres on 40 psi as well, just let it skate.
Right up, yeah.
Let it feel like one of those Super Drift 330s.
Well, best of luck to you, bro.
Cheers, bro.
Rooting for you. Go on, Trev!
What's the crack with qualifying? Do we just go out when we want?
Well, it's qualifying now, just go line up. We wouldn't know it, it'll just be individual runs. Just as soon as you're out, you'll go either rejoin or go back and let's come back out again.
I just need to change tyres, that's all.
Best of luck, bro.
Sweet, brother. Deck, you might as well jump in.
Whoa! Come on, you are.
I'll be okay.
Yeah.
You got any words for Liam Manuel?
RS Tree Cozzy!
What, no big boost?
No big
No
boosting.
big boost.
Boosting bad in wedding.
Nah, no good, no good. Big bloody boost.
Big body boosting is no goodings. Fucking diff snap.
Not good, not good.
You got the right man on the job, though.
Yeah.
John Ryan Mullane on your fucking thing previously.
Fuck that.
Honestly, like, that's my first run that I've actually managed to complete all day, and it was my qualifying run. So I don't know how the fuck I'm going to do it back.
I think that's meant to be like
No,
that.
it's not meant to be like that. Right, I'm gonna need sealer here now. Sealer. There's something stashed.
Fuck cars. Don't like drifting. Don't like cars. I'm gonna start being a professional paddle player from today.
Just like that.
So, as you can see, okay, it's fixed, mate. You know what I mean?
Very good. Very good job. Very nice. I have in this world my balls, my word. I don't break them for no one.
This is my you half it I've ever done in my life. Do you know what it does?
Huh?
Do you know what this does?
What?
This is more power.
More power!
It's literally what you're doing, it gives you more power.
Fucking hell, I'll have to try that, mate.
You happy there?
Yeah, a little bit.
You're just holding your stick.
Yeah, just doing my part, you know?
Yeah.
I'm just, yeah.
Jack hopefully get back out now and finish up his run without any issues this time.
I'm just working out trying to get the car back down on the ground so they can come out.
Wheels are tight, Jack.
Fucking hell, bro. What's going on? It's catching me, isn't it? Wow, on camera as well.
Andrew really wanting to make sure Jojo's aware that that monster mark was a real drop there from Jojo as they came round the straight up towards the transition now. Need to get the car squared away now. Andrew losing ground there. Showing up
I think I lost that. That's you. That's you. That's you. It's my fault.
Have a chip, bro. I like my chip with a bit more crisp.